Understanding fruit-bearing trees. Hello, and welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of idiomatic expressions and phrases, with a focus on the phrase, fruit-bearing trees. This phrase is not only rich in imagery but also carries significant meaning and usage in the English language. Whether you're a beginner or looking to polish your English skills, understanding these kinds of phrases can greatly enhance your fluency and comprehension. Let's explore together. Fruit-bearing trees might seem straightforward at first glance, but let's break it down for clarity. The phrase consists of three key components. Fruit, the sweet and fleshy product of a tree or other plant that contains seed and can be eaten as food. Bearing, this verb is used here to describe the act of producing or carrying something. In the context of trees, bearing refers to the process of producing fruit. Trees, large plants with a single trunk that supports branches and leaves. When combined, fruit-bearing trees refers to trees that produce fruit. This phrase is often used to discuss agriculture, gardening, and nature. Understanding the context in which fruit-bearing trees is used is crucial for English learners. This phrase can be used both literally and metaphorically. Literal use. In a literal context, it describes actual trees that grow fruit, such as apple trees, orange trees, or cherry trees. This usage is common in conversations about botany, gardening, or agriculture. Metaphorical use. Metaphorically, fruit-bearing trees can symbolize something or someone that is productive or yields positive results. For example, a business investment that yields profit could be likened to a fruit-bearing tree. To solidify your understanding, let's look at some examples of how fruit-bearing trees can be used in sentences. 1. Literal example. My grandfather takes great pride in his garden, especially the fruit-bearing trees that yield apples and peaches every summer. 2. Metaphorical example. Education is like planting fruit-bearing trees. It takes time and effort, but the rewards are sweet and plentiful. These examples show how versatile the phrase can be, fitting into discussions ranging from gardening to education. We hope this video has shed some light on the phrase, fruit-bearing trees, and enriched your English vocabulary. Remember, language learning is like planting your own garden. It takes patience and care, but the fruits of your labor are incredibly rewarding. Thank you for joining us, and we look forward to exploring more fascinating aspects of the English language with you. Happy learning!